Unlocking the Digital World, a beginner's guide to online marketing and computer basics. Welcome to the world of online marketing, where your computer is the key to unlocking incredible opportunities. Today, we're diving into the basics of online marketing, often called digital marketing. This free computer lesson is designed to give you a basic overview of what digital marketing is, perfect for beginners who want to sell their products or services, but don't know where to begin. First, let's talk about social media marketing. This is about using platforms like Facebook and Instagram to promote your products or services. It's powerful and user-friendly. Then there's email marketing. It involves sending out emails to potential customers. The goal? To turn those email readers into buyers through engaging content. Content marketing comes next. This strategy focuses on creating valuable content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Think blogs, videos, and infographics. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial. It improves your website's visibility in search engine results, making it easier for customers to find you online. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, is another tool. Here, you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. It's a direct route to increase website traffic. Affiliate marketing is about partnership. You collaborate with others to promote your products. In return, they earn a commission for every sale made through their referral. Influencer marketing leverages the power of people with a substantial online following. They can sway their audience's purchasing decisions in your favor. Then we have video marketing. Creating compelling videos can captivate an audience more effectively than text alone. It's great for product demonstrations or storytelling. Don't overlook online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Selling here puts your products in front of vast, ready-to-buy audiences. Remember, analytics are your friend. Tools like Google Analytics help track your online marketing efforts, letting you know what works and what doesn't. Lastly, patience and perseverance are key. Online marketing success doesn't happen overnight. Keep learning, adapting, and growing. Your online marketing journey has just begun. Visit www.maganga.com for more free videos like this one. If you want us to make more videos on digital marketing, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps us.